Okay, David, ready? Fire! Did you take Nathan?
It hurts so much more when you're not actually playing.
I'm so scared.
All right, Aaron, your turn.
We're like rednecks.
Oh!
Good one.
Oh! It's already bruising.
I don't want to do that. Come on, Aaron.
Go on, Aaron.
One time, Aaron.
Wait, you need to stand for...
Okay, I'll stand really
Aaron,
far back.
it's not going to make a
Oh,
difference.
I'm gonna stand way over there.
I'm gonna stand back here too.
All right, people.
Oh my gosh!
Go, Aaron.
Aaron, just...
That?
Aaron, run like a chicken. And see if he can get like this, like this. Go, Aaron, go.
Wait, what are you doing?
Run, Aaron.
Run, Aaron, like a chicken.
I'll shoot one shot. If I hit you or not, that's it.
No, she's got to get hit once.
No, I've been hit twice, thank you.
Well, it's your
Aaron,
fault.
you gotta go that way.
I
I
am.
can't shoot right by them.
I'm going around.
Nathan, hit her.
What?
Hit her.
Say that.
I can't be looking right at them, Aaron. Aaron,
Aaron.
cover your head. That's kind of far. Cover your head.
That's kind of far, Aaron.
It's hard to be accurate at that distance.
Should I turn it around?
I would.
Unless you want to get hit somewhere else.
Careful with your ears. Careful with your ears.
I hope you zoomed.
You ready?
I'm not sure where he's gonna hit, so I've got her as like head to foot.
I'm gonna shoot. 3, 2.
It didn't even break. I'm scared.
That was dead center of the backpack.
No, it was right there.
Let me see.
That's good because you're not sitting there, but it's cushioning.